Greetings. This video is going to be a little bit meatier and maybe a little bit longer than the previous ones because it deals with an item that is the same core problem, which is our dual domain issue between the newschoolarch.edu and the student.newschoolarch.edu. And the symptom of this issue is the fact that our students can't watch videos that we save or record in stream because of that domain issue. So I want to show you a little bit of a workaround using streams, BlackBoard, and YouTube. So let's get started. First, I'm going to create a meeting so I can record a little bit of information. And I'm going to join that meeting now. And once the meeting gets going, I'm going to do the most important element, which is I am going to start the recording. And with starting the recording, we are going to now have an artifact that we can look at and use and manipulate. So I'm going to talk about a couple other things while waiting for that artifact, but let's look at a couple things. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go into my faculty use. I'm going to go into BlackBoard again, and I'm going to go into into my academic integrity shell so I can show you some of these things. So I'm going to get that set up, and while we're videotaping, I'm going to also go in and create a new content area. So once again, when the yellows are on and the edit button is on, it means we can go into those areas and add an item. So in here, I'm going to say video files. I'm going to make that available to users, and I'm going to submit that, and you'll see that it shows up on my toolbar here, and I just slid it up to where I wanted it to show up in this location. So let's go back to our meeting, and I am going to say that I'm done with the meeting now, so I'm going to go in and I am going to stop the recording. And while I'm stopping the recording, I'm not stopping the fact that I'm able to communicate with you on this. One of the things we know from previous training is that that means that streams is automatically going to be uploading that video. And it's too early for us to see that yet. So I'm going to wait here a minute and just see what we've got. And you can see that the video is now in my location. I'm going to open it. I'm going to click on the triple dots here. Let me wait till it stops there. Click on the triple dots, update video details. And I'm going to go in here and set English language, so that it will automatically generate my closed caption and transcript files. Now, the other thing we know is it'll take about 3 times as long to create the transcript file as it did to upload and store the video. So under View Settings, I'm now going to click on Show Transcript. And as you can see, the transcript is not quite ready yet. So while that transcript is creating, I want to do one other thing. I'm going to go in here and I am going to download this video. I'm going to save that file, and as you can see, it says that I'm going to automatically save that file to my hard drive. So clicking on OK causes it to download that. Show you a couple other items now. Let's go first of all to BlackBoard, and I'm going to open the video files. I'm going to build content. Now, this is important to understand. When I go to build content with MP4 file, there are several things like videos, image, web links, etc. The best thing we can do is choose item. An image, no, I'm going to click right here on Insert, Edit, Embedded Media. Now, it's going to bring us back to this screen, and I'm going to go on my computer and I'm going to browse in my downloads, which is where that file went. and I am going to grab that additional test file, and I'm going to click it in there. Now it is automatically uploading to BlackBoard, and depending on the length of the file, it will depend on how long it takes to upload. And you'll notice that it also switched to an HTML5 video, which is what the MP4s are. Now I changed my video dimensions to a 640 screen because it makes it slightly larger, and it automatically adjusts that. But I have everything I need now to embed that and insert it in my classroom. Now you'll see that it said there. I'm just going to put a date on this so we know when it was. So, and I'm going to hit submit, and it's going to upload that video now into an artifact that we can look at and use and manipulate. So that's one method of putting a video into BlackBoard for your students to watch. I hope this is helpful to you, and I look forward to a very successful week. Best of luck, everyone. Thank you.